Hi, this is Mona for Thermoweb and I am super excited to share with you some new products from the Gina Designs collection created by Thermoweb. These new products are perfect for fall and holidays, and today I will show you how simple and easy it is to create these cards. I hope you will keep watching this video. I am starting my project with watercoloring. I am going to create a rusty orange fall cardstock with yellow, red, orange and brown watercolors. While I am doing the watercoloring, I am going to show you the brand new Autumn Vichy Stamp and Stencil set. I am in love with these fabulous solid images and pretty sentiments. The best thing in this set is that you can stamp your image, then put your stencil on top of your stamping, and you can put on it any type of mediums. The result is amazing leaf veins and a beautiful tree with leaves. Perfection! Today I am going to play with this fabulous set. Once the watercolor dries, I am adding brown splatters on it and let it dry again. Next I am stamping and heat embossing the Autumn Vichy sentiment on a Turquoise C premium cardstock by Gina Designs. Its size is 5.5 by 4.25 inches. When the sentiment is done, I am going to blend the edges with Peacock Feathers Distress Oxide and regular Distress ink. The reason why I am using both of them is that the Distress Oxide is lighter and the original is darker. As you can see, I have purple tape on my fingers. This helps me turn the card faster without fingerprints, and the result is a beautiful smooth ink blending. When the watercolored cardstock dried, I added it to a Deco foam adhesive and I ran it through the die cut machine with the coordinating Autumn Wishes die set. Look at these fall leaves. Aren't they pretty? Next I am applying the Deco foil transfer gel on the leaves, and for some of them I am adding red and orange Glitz glitter gel. After cleaning my used supplies and the surface, I let them dry completely. Once they are dry, I run some of them through my laminator with bronze and copper Deco foil sheets. There are lots of options which supply to use. You can mix and match them or pick another medium like the Deco foil flock. I decided to use the negative part of Deco foil foam adhesive too, even if it's damaged, because I love this distressed look. Now it looks like felt and I really like it. For the background I used the same Gina Designs Turquoise C premium cardstock again. This is the prettiest turquoise cardstock I have ever seen. I added a little Peacock Feathers Distress Oxide and regular Distress inks as well, and added the huge adhesive to the teal card base. I cut the excess down and stamped the leaf images to the negative leaf holes. So much fun, right? Once it was done, I blended the leaves with White Honey Distress Oxide inks and the base was ready. In the end, I stamped the sentiment to the Gina Designs premium white cardstock and my cards were ready. This was my tutorial for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I love this stamp set so much and I have a couple more ideas with them, so stay tuned. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comment, and for the used supplies be sure to expand the video description or check Thermoweb's blog for more information. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye!